Hi everyone, welcome to Fityo with Eileen. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to be showing you a few moves to mobilize and gently stretch out your upper body. We remain seated throughout this sequence. I'm doing it on my mat. If you would like to join me on a mat, please feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can also do these moves on a chair. So, if you're ready, join me. So just find any comfortable seated position and slowly bring your eyes to a close. We're just going to try to regulate our breathing here before we start. Inhaling deeply and exhale completely. Just try to bring the awareness inwards. Create that your own regular rhythmic breathing here. Calming your breathing. Relaxing your mind. Bring the focus inwards. Maybe a lot of thoughts rushing through your mind. Let them come, acknowledge them, and let them go. And while you're seated here, try to keep that length throughout your spine. All the way from your sit bones, all the way up to the crown of your head. And breathe. One more time here. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully and completely. Now open your eyes. Hope there's a smile on your face. Few blinks. And let's begin our practice. So first of all, we're just going to do really gentle movements, bringing your head over to your right shoulder and back to center, and then over to the left shoulder. So let's link the movement in now, yeah? With breath. So inhale and exhale back to center. Inhaling over to the right and exhale back to center. Inhaling over to the left. Just gentle rotation through the neck, especially if you're doing this first thing in the morning. Oh, that will feel really good. We don't want to do anything too drastic. Gently, gently. Exhale back to center. One more time over to the right. And exhale back to center. Inhale to the left. Last time here. Exhale back to center. Now some gentle nods. Just bringing your chin to chest. Inhale up. And exhale down. Let me see that smile on your face. Good. Exhale down. Just mobilizing the neck here, yeah? Last time, inhale and lift. Okay, from here, let's just do gentle neck circle, half circles for the neck, yeah? So, over. And it's bringing it over to your right shoulder. Ear to ear. Ever so gently. We are still linking the breath. So, exhaling down, inhaling up. Gently. Not moving fast at all. Inhaling up. Exhale down to center. Inhale over to the left shoulder. Exhale down to center. Inhale over to the right shoulder. Last time here. Exhaling down. And inhale lift. Okay. Just turning your head back to center here. Should feel nice. And now let's do some lateral neck stretches. So inhale. Lifting the right arm up. And as you exhale, dropping your head over to your right side as you lift the palm off your left hand up. Your eyes can be looking forward here. Yeah? try to keep your chest and shoulder open. And that left palm is right about shoulder height. So just holding it there gently, no pressure. I'm not pressing my head down, just slowly guiding it there. And now exhale, and just changing the angle of that stretch, just turning my gaze down to my right thigh and turning the palm of my left hand down towards the mat. My gaze is down, and you can experiment, yeah? Looking forwards and turning your palm up and looking down again. The different angle of the stretch, just creates a different sensation. And you can stay, option to choose at whatever point, whichever point you need to, especially if you feel that you need to work on a certain area more. Today, just go for it. And inhale and exhale, release. Bring your head back to center. Let's do the other side. So inhale, left arm goes up, and bringing it down to the left side as you lift your right hand up, right palm facing upwards. Looking straight ahead. Are you still smiling? No tension through, no pressure as well, no pressing. Just letting gravity draw your head down. Just feeling that stretch in your neck right over here. Lateral part of the neck, opening up that part between the neck and the shoulders. And with an exhalation, we are just going to shift our gaze downwards. You can turn your palm towards the mat as well. Yeah. And again, experiment. And breathe throughout. Find that point which needs a bit more work, a bit more love and care, and stay there. Breathing, lengthening, stretch. And inhale, exhale, release back to center and releasing the arms down. Already feels better. So now I want you to go ahead now, interlace your fingers. Bring them behind your head and elbows pointing forwards. Let's just inhale and exhale, drop your chin to chest. Notice that we are doing all these movements really slowly. So you're really mobilizing and stretching slowly. And inhale, lift. And you can stay here if there's plenty enough for you. Or if you want, join me and we are going to open up the elbows horizontally. You can feel that squeeze in your shoulder blades. Only do this if if you don't feel an extreme stretch, yeah, and discomfort behind the neck and shoulders. If you need to remain here, if that's better for you, go ahead and do that. And exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, lift. If you're opening up the elbows, go ahead and open up the elbows. Know your options and do what's right for you. And let's go down again. Bring it down. Exhale. Inhale, lift. Let's do one more. Bring it down. Just gently. Hand is there to guide. No pressure on the neck. Very important to remember that. And lift and open. And gently release. Bringing your palms up and releasing your fingers. Bringing them down either side of you. How does your neck feel now? I hope it feels better. Okay, so from there we're going to move on to the shoulders. We're going to do some big shoulder circles now. So bring your fingers just on your resting lines, slightly on your shoulders here. Bring your elbows in front of you. And we're going to go inhale, up, really up. And exhale, down. Inhale, up, elbows to meet. And exhale, down. So keep that going. We want to really mobilize and rotate through the shoulder joint. Again, go to your extend, yeah? Don't force. Try to bring it up as high as possible. Bring your elbows, yeah? And down. Inhale, up and down. This movement is a little bit more dynamic. It's really mobilizing. Don't forget. Yes, still feeling good here. And last time, let's reverse that. So, inhaling up and down. Reversing directions. Still inhale up, exhale down. Keep that going. Nice rotation. 2 more. Exhale down. Inhale up. And last exhale and down here. Meeting back in the center. And release your fingers. Alright, from there, let's go to a seated cat-cow stretch. So, just place your palms behind your lower back, yeah? Lumbar region, just to support. Elbows pointing back. And inhale, stretch out. And exhale, rounding, bringing the elbows in front. Inhale, stretching out. Elbows back. And exhale, rounding through the upper back, drawing the elbows to the front. So keep doing that. I'm just going to shift myself over to the side so you can see the movement in the spine here. Yeah, we're just going to create a nice movement in the spine. Inhale, push out. And you're not cranking your neck back, just go as much as you can. Exhale, rounding through the upper back. Bring the shoulders in front. Drawing the belly in, chin to chest. And inhale, stretching out. Oh, that really feels nice. Through the spine. That movement is going to create space in your spine. Up, as well as opening up the chest. This is really useful, especially if you are sitting at the desk in the office. Yeah. Spending hours at the computer. I know I do that. Editing these videos. And one last time here. Inhale, stretching out. And exhale. Rounding through the upper back a little bit. Drawing your belly in. Chin to chest. And let's meet back in the center. Back to neutral. I'm just going to shift over now. Hey, how are we doing? You're doing good. Alright. Let's go and do a little bit of lateral side movement here for the spine. Yeah. And let's start. Inhale, bringing your palms up, either side of your head, biceps just outside your ears, fingertips pointing up, and you're lengthening through your spine, rooting through your sit bones, nice and firm. And let's go over to the right side. Exhale down, inhale up, and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down, and when you come down, notice that, try to go as far as you can. If you're a bit more flexible, you can perhaps bring the elbow down onto the ground. Otherwise, there could be just the fingertips. That's perfectly fine as well. The idea here is to feel the stretch through that side without collapsing the chest in front. You're not coming in front. We are here, side. And up. And this time over to the right side, and we are going to hold. Breathe and hold. So you can take this time, adjust yourself a little bit, and hold. Let's hold for 8 counts here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing yourself up, over to the left side this time. Left palm on the floor, fingertips, elbow, your extend, adjust yourself, keep that chest open and square to the front, and lengthening through the top fingertips, the right fingertips. Lengthen and hold. Gaze forwards, smile, doing good. And breathe. Let's hold for 8 counts here. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back up to center. Palms facing each other, biceps up to the side of your ears. And exhale. Release. Now let's go into a side twist here. Seated, still seated, nice and firm. Sit bones rooted to the ground. Spine is nice and long. And let's twist over to the right side. Right hand behind you, left hand on your right knee. Bring your gaze over to your right shoulder. And exhale back to center. Inhale to the left. This time left hand behind you. And right hand on your left knee. Bringing your gaze to your left shoulder. Beyond your left shoulder, I should say. And back to center. Over to the right side again. So very important that you maintain that length in your spine. And keep looking over the right shoulder here. And exhaling back to center. Inhale over to the left side again. Your left palm is just to give you a bit of support. Lengthen through the spine and twist. For every exhalation, twist a little bit more if you can. No forcing, no twisting your neck, getting funny angles and all that. Okay? And back to center one last time. And let's hold a little bit longer this time in that twist. Nice rotation through the spine. Here. And make sure both sit bones are rooted through the mat, not lifting up. And back to center, other side. Lift. Just keep looking over your shoulder. Twisting a bit more. Twisting a bit more. And inhale, exhale, back to center. That was the last move, so give yourself a little bit of a shake. And now let's do just a quick relaxation here. Close your eyes. Bring that awareness inside again, and I want you to just breathe and experience the changes in your body. Just a short few moves, breathe. But just experience and notice the changes in your body. And here, I want you to just focus on a positive thought, anything. You're happy, you're healthy. Just set an intention for your day. Inhale, exhaling completely. Open your eyes, few blinks, and that's all I have for you today. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this practice. If you have any feedback, questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me by dropping me some comments in the comment box below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more free weekly fitness and yoga videos. Till next time, this is Eileen signing off for today. Happy practicing, champs! Bye!